So typically what happens after you post a job, you will receive a deck of candidates being recommended to you. Now, all you need to do is to select a tick or cross out to reject. How do we help you to qualify candidates is that once you actually click on the tick, a notification will be sent to the candidate to tell them that this employer coming from company A is interested to explore with you. They, on the other side, will take a look at your job post and they will see and consider whether this is the right job for them. Once they click tick to your job post, they will move from the pending portion of your KIV list to the match list. Now, at this point in time, we will also put in another second layer of interest verification. Now, the candidate will need to mention that they are now ready to speak to you. You can only unlock the matches if the candidate declares that they are ready to speak to you. Once they say yes, you can then click to unlock and continue on to the chat.